Do you know that there are different types of learners? It's quite possible that the way you learn is very different from the way your best friend learns. Find out what type of a learner you are so that you learn better, faster, you remember well, and obviously you do well in the exam. In this video, I am going to tell you about the different types of learners and also what are the best learning techniques for every type. This is the first video. I'm going to discuss 4 different types of learners in this video and another 4 in my second video. So watch both of them and please do watch the last part of this video where I'll tell you how to use this information. That part is very important. Okay, so let's get started. If you think that only reading a book is not enough for me, if I see a diagram or a video, then I understand better and I remember better, then you are a visual learner. And you know, 65% of the learners are visual learners. In that case, I would tell you these 4 things out of which at least one should be with you when you are studying. They are charts, diagrams, maps and graphs. And of course, do watch videos, it will help you a lot. The second group is the auditory learner. The auditory learner is a learner who learns by listening. So if you think when your teacher explains everything in the class, then it becomes very clear to you, then you are an auditory learner. You must listen to your class lectures. Don't miss school or college. And you must listen to discussions also. It will help you a lot. If you are an auditory learner, you can also watch videos because you won't be only seeing the videos, you will also be hearing what they are going to tell you. And I would add something. When you study at home on your own, then when you are reading, read it aloud. You will listen to what you are reading and you will remember better. The next group belongs to those who learn by reading and writing. So you think, how do you learn better, best? You read the topic and then you write down the question answers, then you remember everything, you understand everything. If you belong to this group, then of course you need to do all the assignments given to you. You also need to do a few more things like take class notes. And I would tell you that when you are studying on your own, once you finish reading a topic, jot down the points. You will remember better. The next group is the kinesthetic learner. The learner who learns by doing things. So if you are a hands-on learner, then you must do all the experiments when you are studying science, and if you can't do all that at home, then at least be present in the class when it's done. But what to do if you are studying subjects like literature, history or geography? Well, I have a solution for you. If you are studying literature or history, you can go for role play. If you are studying geography, do the models, and for that you don't have to go for very expensive things. Like you are studying landform, just take a tray that's there at home, take sand or soil, whichever is easily available, and then you make the different landforms so that you understand better. These 4 learners are known as VARK: visual, auditory, reading and writing, and kinesthetic. So which type of a learner are you? I hope you have understood. Now let me tell you a very important thing. I'll tell you this by giving you an example. Suppose you are a visual learner, but now you are studying subjects like English grammar, or you have to write a letter, or maths. Now in that case, you're a visual learner, so you see a video. But doing only that will not be enough. You have to solve the English grammar exercise and the maths exercise and really write a letter in order to understand. That means that different subjects have different approach. So you cannot apply the same learning technique everywhere. Then what is the need? Why will you watch this video and why should you know what type of a learner you are? It is important. Once you know what type of a learner you are and you know the techniques, whichever subject, whichever topic you study, you ensure, you see that you include at least one of those techniques along with the way you are supposed to study the subject. Again, let's go back to the example. I am a visual learner. So what do? I'm studying English grammar. So I watch a video where all the rules are told. But then I solve the grammar exercise. I hope you understood. Do share this video with your friends and find out what type of learners are they. If you have liked this video, do click the like button, and yes, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. I'm going to see you in my next video where I'm going to discuss 4 different types of learners according to the latest research. See you very soon. Till then, know yourself, discover yourself.